Okay, trying to take a picture of this. Nancy Brenner did a rock swap with me. But I can't get a picture because the cat keeps grabbing my rocks. So anyway, this is what Nancy Brenner brought me. And one of them is going to be sent to Andrea. She gave me a tutorial on how to do the handicap chair, which sounds simple, but when you try to draw it, if you don't break it down, it can be kind of hard. And the other side of this beautiful shell is the post picture on St Augustine Rocks, but it's a very detailed lighthouse too. When you see these rocks in real life, you realize how small they are. It's really amazing, great work. And she left the back of these so that I can put my little frog or lizard or whatever I want to on there. And she also gave me this paint pen, which is a fine tip black one, for me to try. So there we go, Elfie. What do you think? Okay. I don't own the rights to the background music from Guardians of the Galaxy Volume 2. Disclaimer. Bring that back! Bring that back here! Bring that... What you gotta do that for? Bring it back here. There we go.